wabarakatuh. Good morning class. How are you today? All of you are in good health ya? Alhamdulillah. I'm Miss Rezi and I'm glad to see you again. Okay, before we start into the part of our lessons, please let us be praying. Fitri, can you lead us in prayer? Bismillah.
Amin.
Oh, don't forget to fill the class attendance list in the group WhatsApp description link that I gave before the class started. Okay? Who is absent today? No one? I like that. You are all awesome and very active in my class. Are you ready for our new lesson today? Yeah? Great! You are all ready. So, before we persist our new lesson today, does anyone remember what we learned last week? Nice! Okay, now who can provide an example of expressing congratulations? Yes, Mubarak? Please. Good. Thank you, Mubarak. Alright, class. Since it's Monday, I thought that you have a story about your weekend. How's your weekend? Is anyone on vacation somewhere or traveling? Maybe make an appointment with someone from somewhere that you haven't seen for a long time. Or maybe someone should go to the doctor? Wow! All of you have an interesting short weekend story, yeah? Well, let's hear a short weekend story from Khaleu. Oh. So, you made an appointment with your classmates to practice badminton because you have been absent for 2 weeks, right? Okay, Kalebu. Thank you. Any other? Yes, Fitri. Wow. So you made a dinner reservation at your family favorite restaurant to celebrate your dad's birthday. Nice, Fitri. Thank you. Okay, class. At the end of last week's class, I gave a link to study as material for discussion in today's material. Does anyone remember what the link is about? Okay, you did very well, class. So, who can explain what it means to make an appointment? Okay, raise your hand. Yes, Dian? Okay, and we can also make an appointment with a supervisor, lecturer, or maybe our old friends, your teacher. and your business college, and etc. Next explanation, Dian. And what about reservation? Who wants to explain it? Yes, Paul, please. Well, because it has been explained by your friends, let's look at the following picture. What picture do you see? Right. The picture shows a person having a conversation on the phone. And have you made a phone call? Or what do you usually arrange in a phone call? Yes, please. Terrific, Ria. Now, in this material, we will first learn and understand expression for making appointments and reservations. And the second is arrange and present simply spoken and written text for making appointments and reservations. Got it, class? Nice. Well, since it was explained by your friend earlier, so I want one of you to read this slide. Umam, please. Why are you reading too fast, Umam? Pay attention to the emphasis of periods and commas in the sentence. Got it? Nice. Dan kata appointment ini diartikan sebagai janji temu. Making an appointment artinya mengatur janji untuk bertemu dengan seseorang di waktu dan tempat tertentu. Appointment juga bisa diartikan dengan meeting, arrangement, atau engagement. Okay, for a further explanation of the material, please open your book on page 26 on the book for the depth explanation. And now, let's see the following video show.
Hello, Mr. Ken's office.
Hello, can I speak to Mr. Ken, please?
I'm afraid he is in a meeting until lunchtime. Can I take a message?
Well, I'd like to arrange an appointment to see him, please. It's Nuri here.
Could you hold on for a minute?
Sure.
I'll just look at the schedule in the notebook. When is convenient for you, miss?
Next week if possible.
Let me check. Well, he is on a business trip that weekend.
I need to see him before he goes away. Would next Wednesday be okay?
Wednesday? Let me see. He's out of the office all morning, but he is free in the afternoon at about 3.
Okay, at 3 on Wednesday? That's fine for me. Thanks.
My pleasure. Thank you, Miss.
Have you watched the video? Haven't you? Who can briefly explain what Nuri did? Right, Fitri. Then what is the appointment time suggested by the receptionist? So, Nuri called company to make an appointment with Mr. Ken, and the receptionist said that Wednesday at 3 p.m. Mr. Ken has free time for an appointment with Nuri at his office. What are the rules for making an appointment over the phone according to you, students? Great answer, Dian. So Dian condition on two parties, yes. From Nuri's side is the person who wants to make an appointment, and Mr. Ken is represented by the receptionist. So student, in your opinion, what category did this video fall into? Okay, you are all awesome. Terkadang kita tidak bisa langsung datang ke lokasi untuk melakukan pemesanan. Maka kita memilih pemesanan melalui telepon. Bagaimana cara membuat janji dan memesan tempat melalui telepon dalam bahasa Inggris? In English, there are several expressions and rules that can be used when making appointments and reservations, such as first, greet and introduce yourself politely. Starting from the initial greeting, then introduce yourself and say the purpose of the call. And the next step is suggest the time and the place. If it's from the receptionist, then he or she will check and recheck the schedule in his or her notebook or computer file. A rejection can occur if the schedule of the person we ask for an appointment is full. As someone who makes an appointment, there are a few things we can say whether we agree or disagree with the suggestion. We can bargain to get a meeting time that fits the existing schedule. Okay, class? Please look at the next slide.
Ya, seperti yang kalian lihat di layar saat ini dan yang telah saya jelaskan sebelumnya tadi bahwa ada 3 hal how to making an appointment. In the first step, politely, it a must. There are greetings uttered according to the time of calling, such as say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. And then state your name when you ask to make an appointment. And the next is the receptionist will ask your destination or your purpose of call, and finally explain the purpose of making the appointment so that the recipient of the call or receptionist can convey it to the boss or the person who is the purpose of our appointment. Is it understandable, class? Nah, if in the previous slide it was more about making an appointment rules, now on this slide suggests the time and place. It's more about expression. Jadi resepsionis akan memeriksa jadwal orang yang akan kita temui tersebut. Dan resepsionis juga akan memastikan apakah bisa di waktu di mana kita mengajukan janji temu itu untuk bertemu dengan orang yang kita maksud. Atau mungkin juga ia bisa saja menolak karena jadwal yang dibuatnya itu sudah penuh. Well, if you agree, you can express your willingness, or if not, you can bargain at the right time.
If you have an appointment over the phone with self-introductions, goals, and agree or disagree, ensure that the appointment that has been set by recheck and confirm. To ensure the appointment by confirming the time that has been met according to the party. Party di sini bukan berarti pesta ya anak-anak, tapi party di sini artinya adalah kedua pihak. Jadi sudah memastikan bahwa janji yang dibuat ini berdasarkan kesepakatan dari keduanya. Gitu. Nah, is there anything that you want to ask? Yes, Dian? Oh, example, recheck and confirm. Let me ask you, can anyone give an example? Yes, Umam? Right, Umam. So the animated videos that you saw earlier, in the one that we can say that the video is about recheck and confirm. Do you understand, Dian? Good. Next up are reservations. Please, Ria, read it. Thank you, Ria. You have to pay attention to the punctuation in the text, but your reading intonation is good. Okay, reservation adalah pemesanan tempat yang dilakukan oleh kita sebagai orang yang membuat janji dengan pihak tertentu, di mana janji tersebut atau layanan tersebut akan dilaksanakan pada masa yang akan datang. And for example, reservation for a place to eat, or booking a hotel that you want, and then booking tickets for bus, train, or maybe airplane. Jadi anak-anak, membuat janji dan melakukan reservasi tidak terlalu beda ketika kita membuat janji dengan seseorang. Janji temu ya. Dan beberapa ada ungkapan yang sering dipakai setelah menyapa dan memperkenalkan diri, maka resepsionis akan menanyakan beberapa hal. So students, have you ever made a ticket reservation by phone or make a reservation? Quick answer please. Give an example of reservation. Come on, give me your best answer. Oke, Umam, reservasi hotel. Sip. Dan selanjutnya, Mubarok silakan. Reservasi restoran. Oke, lanjut. Paul, reservasi tiket. Apa? Airplane, bus, train. Oke. And then Ria, reservasi event or wedding. Okay, got it. And Kalewu, reservasi tiket konser. Okay. And Fitri, what about you? Theater or cinema? Okay, you all got good point. Thank you for your quick answer. On this slide are some expressions spoken by the receptionist and callers. The receptionist will ask about the needs of the callers, which begins with the following words such as what may, how may, and can I. Then the caller will reveal the purpose by calling. For example, ticket reservation, room hotel reservations, and then the restaurant reservations. And then the receptionist will confirm your name like the example shown on the screen. Now let's try a random quiz from the material that we have learned about reservation. I give some questions in the next slide, then you can type the answer in the chat box. I will include your answer in addition to the next slide. I already have the names here in order to call and do it per question. Okay, let's try the first name. Who's got the lucky number 1? Umam ya. Okay, Umam is for the first. Let me write first question, and for the second, Dian. Okay, Dian second. Then the third is Mubarok. Okay, third ya. And the fourth we have Kaleu. Fourth ya, fourth. And the fifth we have Ria. Fifth. Okay, the next is Fitri. Fitri 6. And the last we have, I think, Paul. Sorry. Okay, Paul, you have the last question. So students, you have answered the question. Type the question in the chat box. Okay, let's check the next slide. Oh, sorry students, I almost forgot. We have 5 minutes starting from now. Okay? So students, have you seen your answers on the previous slide? I put it here so it can serve a reminder as to make a reservation. Just like making an appointment, there is a purpose too. then we can come directly to make a reservation other than calling or doing it via electronic mail, like the picture besides this. And was it Dian who answered? Thank you, Dian. And there are 5 detail sections in making a reservation too. Then there are also expressions in the sentence you made earlier, such as I would like to, I want to, or could I have? Okay, all of your answers were very good. Thank you, students. Then, up to this point, you already know the difference between an appointment and a reservation. Right, students? Well, student, who will recap today's material? Yes, Paul, please. Okay. Perfect, Paul. Does anyone want to add? Yes, Kaleu? Excellent. Thank you for completing it, Kaleu. And then I need to remind that I have dropped individual assignments to Google Classroom. Please check and do well. We will discuss the tasks at the next meeting. And thank you for your active participation and your attention, of course. I really appreciate it and it makes me grin from ear to ear. Okay, Fitri, please lead a prayer to end today's material.
Amin.
Alhamdulillah, much obliged, Fitri. And don't forget to use or to wear your mask when you leave the house and hand sanitizer too. Take care of your health and see ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.